Everyone, I am Manas. Today I'm going to demo my first AI project that I built using n8n. It's a small project, but I have managed a lot of functionality into it. And honestly, I was building it. I kept thinking of more things I could add. So in this video, I will walk you through what I have built, how it works, and some interesting edge cases along the way. So let's get started. So first of all, let me give you an overview. The entire backend of the project is powered by n8n. I only handle the configurations part there. For the front end, I build simple applications using Next.js. So users can interact with the system easily. The main idea here is like straightforward. Basically, users can book a doctor's appointment through the UI. For now, there is no user authentications or role-based access. There's a this is basically a learning project. Let's start with our front-end UI. So the design is minimal because I want to focus on the functionality rather than the feature. Here's how it works. User land on the page with a multiple cards, one for each appointment type. Let's open the general checkup tab. So if I open the general checkup tab, so you can see that here's a greeting message. Hello, I'm here, help you to book general appointments and all. So this message is predefined, not from the AI. So here in this message, we can say user what is the chat about, and let me, and yeah. So this one is a text box, and this one is mic, and this one is a send button. So we can use that, and let's try to send a message. So let's try hi, and let me send. So it is processing. So yeah, hello, how can I assist you today? It is giving some message. Let me give. I want to book an appointment. Let's see. Sure. It gives sure. I will be happy to with that. Could you please provide the following details? It is asking for the details. The basically cool part is that I will give all the details, but in one sentence, and AI will extract all the details from the sentence. So yeah. So let's give it. So it is checking the things. Okay, actually I tried with the same details. So it is saying that it's look like there is already an appointment schedule. So it is checking like if there is an overlapping or not. So fine. So let's take another time. Let me make it to 7 or 3 p.m. with the same details. Okay, let me hit send button. And it's all done. So it's appointment. Your appointment has been successfully booked with all the details. Sunday at 28th September, 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and appointment request is the description, because I think I have not provided any descriptions. Fine, it's okay. So let's go into the calendar or into the DB first, then check all the details are there or not. So I think I have to refresh it. So let's refresh. Let's open the appointments table, and yeah. So you can see just 2 appointments are there because I have added that earlier at 4 p.m. and this one I have added at 3 p.m. So this is coming here. Now go into the calendar. So this is today, Saturday, and yeah. So at 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. there is a appointment that is booked. Okay, great. Now we can check this translator tool. So in this translator tool I designed because I wanted user to speak naturally rather than typing everything. So let's try this one. Hi, my name is Anant Kumar. I want to book an appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Could you please book my appointment? My email ID is anant@gmail.com. Cool. I have given all the details. So actually what is happening here, I am giving the details. It is going into the n8n flow. It is going to the first flow and it is translating it. Currently I have given it in just simple English, so it is not translating anything. But if I give it in any other language, then it will translate it and give it into the basically in that language. So here I give Anand Kumar. I think okay, fine. We're going to appointment at 2 p.m. Could you please find an appointment? And everything is fine, right? Let me send it and check the appointments. So let's see what is the outcome that we got. Cool. We got the output. Description is none. So we can change this output as well. We can customize it. Currently I have not basically used any output parser or anything, so it is giving like that. So we can customize it as well. So fine, it is giving all the details. Let's go into the DB again and then let's check it. So let's refresh it here and check it. So yeah, cool. See, here we got a appointment Anand Kumar, and everything is here. Description is none. Let me go here in the calendar. In the calendar as well, we got the appointment from 2:30 to 2 from 2 to 2:30. Yeah, so this is fine. Let's do some more checks. So now basically let's now do some edge cases test. So let me spoke in some other basically let me spoke in regional language or Hindi or English basically. So let's try. हेलो, मेरा नाम मानस गुप्ता है. मुझे कल की अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करवानी है जो कि 1 बजे होगी दोपहर के. See, it took some time, but yeah, it's give the result and in whole in Hindi. Okay, so okay, how I can add an email? Let me add an email in English only. Okay, let's give it to the AI agent, and then let we will check what he will ask. Like he will ask. So let's check it. Great. See how it converts the whole language tab as well, totally in Hindi. So it's asking आपकी appointment सफलतापूर्वक book हो गई है, and we have given the name and date. So description and email we didn't give. So okay, we have not given any description and email, and it is not asking for that as well. So this is basically a fall. Basically, this should not happen. It should ask some details. Okay, I think. Okay, that is not the case, I think so. Okay, fine, that is a fall case. That should not happen. Fine, I have to check this one. It's okay. Why you didn't let me ask here itself. Did not ask for contact details in earlier previous question. Let's check. Let me take your contact detail, procedure booking. Can you please provide either phone number or email? Okay, before that, let me go into the DB and check is it booked or not. Let me refresh it. What is the time I have put it? 1 p.m. Okay. Oh my god, it's put all the details with everything and the contact as well, and it is also asking for the contact details now. Okay, let me give some details. Email is manas@gmail.com. Okay, so मुझे खेद है लेकिन आपके द्वारा मांगा गया समय पहले से ही बुक हो गया. So this is basically a invalid case. I have to basically handle it into my flow. I have not handled it into my flow, so that's why it is not giving. Maybe a translator barrier, or maybe that be the case, because in the English language it is working fine. I have to check it in the other voices as well. Fine. Okay, so that's the complete demo of my appointment booking. So let me go into one case. Basically, let me make it inactive and let me show you how this works. So let me go here. Let me add a test as here as well. Why I'm adding here test? Because in the webhook, this is the test URL and this is the production URL. When I have made it active, so I have to use the production URL. Now I'm making it inactive, so I have to use the test URL. Okay, so that's why I have added the test. Okay, fine. I'm not going to, let me directly write, or I think I can copy it from here and directly paste it here. Put it some other name. Okay, put it enough. Okay, and book it on my appointment at 1 p.m. not 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is already booked, so 9 a.m. I can 9 a.m. appointment and enough. Okay, so the main motive is to show the flow. Okay, there is some error. I think I have updated both the things. Okay, fine, let me try. Okay, fine, I think so. This is saved. Okay, yeah, I have not triggered the workflow. I'm really sorry. So let me trigger it, and now let me check. So yeah, so it is triggered. As you can see that it is finding in the DB. Now it is checking. It is inserting into the DB. Now see, it is storing into the memory and adding the details in the calendar. So this is done. Let me verify the details as well. So if I refresh it, see, Arnav Kumar is there, contact is there, description I didn't provide, so it has not added it, and Manas Gupta's appointment is there, and Arnav Kumar appointment is also added. So let me go into the flow. What is happening into the webhook? From first API is triggering and coming to the webhook. In this webhook I'm getting all the details. So this is the output from the webhook, and this output go into the edit field. So in the edit field we got all the things from the webhook, and we are basically converting the body to the JSON or valid JSON. So I'm converting us basically giving a session ID and all. So I can there is a request ID that is coming. I have just put 1 2 3 because the session ID that is used in the simple memory for basically recording all the history. So that's why I put all the session ID constant for now. We can make it variable, like we can give a user ID or something like that, so that it can manage the history of that particular user for that particular time frame. Okay, now let's go into some DB and all. So yeah, so I have defined the description that this tool is to check the overlaps, and this is the query that is giving from the AI, and this query is I'm passing it here in the query box. So yeah, and you can check that the response that is coming from the DB, that is basically empty. That means there is no slot that is available at this time zone. So we can add a new appointment at this time. Okay, so it is now inserting the details in the DB. So I have again described the description here, and we are getting the response from the DB. And now the same response we are passing. Okay, it is passing the ended start date and the summary. So this is also from the AI. I have just defined the functionality what this tool will do. So AI is giving as the JSON or the input based on the tool functionality, and based on the tool functionality and configurations, it will store the event at the particular date and time. As you can, we have just seen that like how it has stored. Okay, so this is all about the workflow. So that's all the complete demo of the appointment booking and translation system built using n8n AI tools, MongoDB, and Google Calendar. We show how user can book appointment via text or voice, get automatic slot checks, store appointment in the database, and see events even appearing instantly to the doctor's calendar. Right now, there is a learning. This is a learning project, but with features like notifications, authentications, and role-based access, it could easily become a full-fledged product. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.